Little Mum.
First, we need to assemble. Sorting garbage truck. Keep up the good work. Filling. Sorting garbage truck. Press the pump. Ready. Let's remove garbage and fix the drinking fountain. Now we need to wash it clean. Sorting garbage truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Covered truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Covered truck. Pump. Hooray! Let's plant young trees and flowers. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Bucket lift. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Bucket lift. Pump. Done! Let's install feeders for birds and forest animals. We've made a great place for the animals to rest and gain strength.